First, we pack our bags. We need NumPys for the heavy math lifting and RandomForest regressor, our AI model. Think of the RandomForest as a group of travel agents who all vote on the best price to give you the most accurate answer. This is the engine room. We are creating a dedicated class that handles all the intelligence, learning prices, predicting costs, and ranking the best flights. Here we set up the RE's textbook. We give it a model, the brain, and some X and Y data, the practice questions and answers. We are showing it examples like, if a flight is 500 kilometers and booked 30 days early, it costs $120. This is how it learns the patterns. Time to study. The .fit command is where the magic happens. The AI looks at all those flight examples we wrote above and figures out the relationship between distance, time, and price. This is the price checker. You give it a new flight scenario, and it uses what it learned to guess the price. Notice the safety check? It politely refuses to guess if it hasn't finished its training yet. Real travel sites don't just show one flight, they show a list. Here, we simulate that by creating 5 slightly different flight durations for the same route, giving the user some variety to choose from. This is your smart filter. Just like on Expedia or Skyscanner, we sort the flights based on what you care about, saving money, cheapest, saving time, fastest, or a mix of both. It ranks them and shows you the top 3 winners. Now we build the front desk. The app class connects the user to the FlightAI. It also keeps a simple list called bookings to remember which tickets you've actually bought. A simple menu to guide the user. It's important to keep options clear so the user knows exactly what the AI can do for them. This is the control tower. The while true loop keeps the app running. If you choose option 2, it asks for your travel plans, gets a price from the AI, and lets you save that booking into your history. Here we connect the generator and the recommender. You say where you're going, and the AI cooks up a list of options, sorts them by your preference, like cheapest, and prints the winners. This just loops through your bookings list to show you your tickets. It's a nice way to verify that the book flights feature actually worked. Every good app needs an exit door. This breaks the loop and shuts down the program cleanly. Lift off. Rocket, we initialize the app and call .run to start the interaction. Run this line and your AI travel agent is open for business.